Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to install and connect the Moosend app inside your agency. Let's get started. First and foremost, you go at the app marketplace to search for the app. Type Moosend right here, click on it, install it. Let's select the sub account where you want the tool to be installed. We go for sub account 1, new, allow and install. You automatically open this new window in order to copy the custom menu link right here. Click on it, make sure it's copied, then you switch back to come here at settings to create the custom menu link. Custom menu links here, create new. You start by selecting an icon. Let's go for this one. Yeah, you type in name for your custom menu link. Let's say Moosend App. Scroll down. Here we paste the custom menu link URL that we just copied. Here you go. Scroll down. You select the sub account. Let's go for sub account 1. Let's see. How you said, bingo. The custom menu link has just been created. So let's switch to the sub account 1. There you go. And we search for the custom menu link that we just created. Here we are. We have Moosend at CML. Click on it. Type send. Here we go. You notice here is already connected. You click on it. This is the new app interface. Here are the documentation. If you go on, you access the documentation that gives you all the steps that you're supposed to follow in order to install and connect the app. You get the tutorials here. Here you have the Smart Queue tutorial that's gonna show you how to get the credentials required to connect. You go and watch tutorial. You have it here. So if the app is not connected yet, you just follow the Smart Queue guide. You have it set up, and here you have the video tutorial that shows you how to install the app at the level of setup. You can check the status of the app connected. If the app is not connected, you want to start setup and get it connected. Next, you have the support. If you ever have a problem or if you ever encounter a bug, you can create a support ticket here, follow the steps, and add more details. And once you send it, you're going to be notified through email about the follow-up of your ticket. And here you have the change log. Actually, you're going to notify on all the updates on the apps that you install. And that's pretty much it, guys. If you ever have any question, feel free to reach our support team available 24/7 to answer all your questions. Thanks for watching.